Hi everybody, welcome to Skull Coder, and in this lesson or in this channel we are going to be discuss Flutter. And now today topic of the today lecture is Flutter Mastery and Roadmap. So आज की वीडियो में हम Flutter का roadmap डिस्कस करेंगे और what are we going to do in future of this channel. So the phase 1 we are going to be discuss is the foundation of Dart. We are going to learn some basic programming जिसके अंदर हम लर्न करेंगे वेरिएबल्स, डाटा टाइप्स, फंक्शंस, ओ क्लास, ऑब्जेक्ट्स, कंस्ट्रक्टर्स एंड इनहेरिटेंस, null safety, collections, list, map, sets, and assigns program, future assigns, weights and streams. After that we're going to be make some codes to practice this coding or basic programming we learn. In phase 2, we are going to be learn UI basic of Flutter, in which we are going to be learn how to set up Flutter, how to set a project, what is state and stateful widgets, what is material app, what is scaffold, and basic widgets like text, image, icon, button, and simple UI screens we are going to be, and after that we're going to be practice simple UI screens and static app layouts. So this is second phase of Flutter fundamentals. उसके बाद हम फेज 3 के अंदर जाएंगे जिसके अंदर हम लेआउट और उसके रिस्पॉन्सिव डिज़ाइन को देखेंगे. Layout is, I'm calling about layout is this, the screen we show when we're using the phone. So the things we're going to be learn are row, column, expand, flexibles, containers, paddings, margins, tags, positions, list view, grid view, and media query, and other stuffs. We're going to be make simple clones apps and simple profile screens, or we are going to be make some other stuffs which does not include database. This is phase 3 of roadmap of our Flutter mastery, and after that is the phase 4 जिसके अंदर हम नेविगेशन और राउटिंग को मेनली फोकस करेंगे. Navigations, it means that when we're going to be make an app, we're going to make bottom bar and top bar. उसके अंदर हमने कैसे अपनी स्क्रीन मूव करवानी है, कैसे हम एक स्क्रीन से दूसरी स्क्रीन के ऊपर जा सकते हैं. We are going to be handle that in our phase 4. And name routes, passing data between screens, bottom navigation bar and drawer navigations. In this we're going to be practice multi-screen app just like a medical store app, an app like a simple UI of any store. So this we are going to practice an app like this. We can make a simple clock app in this. In phase 5 we are going to be manage state, set state, provider, river, pod and block. So we're going to be see the and set and some database and local structure based apps in this our phase 5, counter apps with states and to do apps, so we can get the real time interaction with the customer. We're going to be make and that kind of app in this phase 5. After phase 5 we're going transfer towards a local storage database, shared preference, Hive and SQLites. They all are extensions of Flutter, so they are not actual database but a small database which are going to be we are going to be use them to make short apps which are used temporary storage in our phone. So notes app, these kind of things. Mainly these kinds of storage is used in offline apps like alarm, like to save alarm and stuff, that kind of apps. So after that we're going to be transfer and go towards API integration. Here we are going to discuss the main database and APIs we need to be get. So this is one of the most important part of our app development and Flutter. So we're going to be learn HTTP requests, JSON parsing, error handling, and authentic basics. After that, we're going to be fetch data for public APIs and display in UIs. The APIs like Google Map APIs and other APIs like that. We are going to be learn how can we get that and how can we use that in our apps. After that, we're going to be transfer and going to be doing phase 8, which is advanced UI and animation. We're going to be learn advanced UI, which is custom widgets, themes of dark and light mode, animations, animation containers, hero animations, floaty animations, that kind of animations and animation. We're going to practice animated UI screens. So these are all about the UI and advanced structure or representation of the app. After that, we are going to be learn architecture and clean coding. So we are going to be clean our code, what we write, and improve it. Clean architecture, folder structure and file structure, and preparation separation of our concerns. We are going to be refactor our old projects. Like I told you, we are going to make to-do apps and other stuffs. So we are going to be refactors our old structure and make them a proper folders and files from them. After that, we are going to be test and debug our program. In every app we create, there are some bugs and errors and some inefficient codes are going to be written in them. So we are going to be handle that in our testing and debugging phase. So these are simple structures I'm telling you. After that, we are going to be learn native, how to use native feature structures for features in our app, how to use camera, how to use location, how to get permissions, how to use device storage, and small feature based app we are going to be create and practice in our phase 12. After that, we are going to be you learn how to deploy an app, how to upload it. So we're going to be build APK and Flutter build APK release. These are the command when we need an APK and app signing, Play Store upload, and app icon and splash screen. We are going to be learn how to use a custom app icon and splash screen of our app. There are 2 or more or 3 methods for that. So we're going to be learn all of them. After, we're going to be practice how to publish our app on different platforms. After that, we're going to be doing some real world projects in which we get to do to-do apps, notes apps, chat apps, an e-commerce app, and also a full stack app in which जिसके अंदर हम Flutter और backend दोनों को मिला के एक app बनाएंगे. And we're going to be apply everything we learned in that app. So this is the roadmap for our channel, and this are we going to be learn in the future of this channel. So without any delay, this is for today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.